Hi, I'm Dan from Grillstream, and today I'm going to show you how to fit the front support bar to your Grillstream Classic gas barbecue. With the corner support brackets in place, it's time to install the front support bar. For this, we're going to need the Phillips screwdriver and also 4 of the Part A bolts. This is the front support bar. You can see 4 captive nuts, and you also have the magnet which is going to hold the door in place. So this needs to be located at the bottom of the front support bar. And we're going to just simply slide this into place, and you can see here is where we're going to install the bolts. And that's the front support bar